Today, we're gonna wax my nose hair. I am not a fan of nose hair, so we're gonna try this Life Stance nose wax and see how it is. Let's unbox it to see what is in it. It is also good for sensitive skin, which I have sensitive skin. So this one is the application wipes. It is for smoothing the skin afterwards. There's more of these. More, wow, that's very generous. There's quite a bit. Then we have this mustache protector, which I don't have to worry about because I just freshly shaved, so I'm good with that. Then we have this special applicator that you are gonna dip into the wax, which I will show you guys afterwards. This is just the instructions. And lastly, we have this matte cup, this is such good quality, guys. So these are all the things that comes with it. All these smoothing wipes, which is great. The instructions, the mustache protector, the applicator, and the wax set. There's like quite a bit of stuff here. I didn't realize this is like 5 times more than the usual wax that you would get. This is like 150 grams. That is quite a lot of wax, and that will last you like for a while. This is the instructions. I'm glad that they are, helping you out, because it can be a bit intimidating at first if you haven't waxed before. So I'm glad like they have this clear instructions. So this is my microwave, and I'm just checking the output right here. So make sure to check yours as well. So for mine, in the instructions, it says 1 minute and 20 seconds. Which is right here. So make sure to follow it right over here. Make sure to take the lid off. Put this back into the microwave. And I'm gonna put it for 1 minute and 20 seconds. For mine, then I'm gonna get a towel to hold it because it's gonna be kind of hot. It is ready. I have my cloth in case it's too hot. I'm just gonna try the temperature a little bit on my arm, like my wrist, to make sure that it's not too hot. So you gotta make sure the consistency is like honey. It's not too liquidy. If it is too liquidy, that means it's too hot. Then you just like wait for a bit. Okay, it's the applicator. Make sure you just get enough. You guys can see. And you're gonna wait for about 90 to 120 seconds. You have these. 2 minutes. Oh, look at this. That is a lot of hair. Ugh. This one. Ow. Oh God. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Now we have the towelettes. Because it's easy for your skin to have, a little bit discomfort because it's wax. So just put it around your skin. This is what it looks like afterwards.